Coderabbit is an AI code reviewer that plugs right into the GitHub workflow. Think of it like an extra teammate that leaves pull request comments, except it's pretty fast, tireless, and doesn't miss the obvious stuff. Once you connect it to your repo, it starts reviewing every PR. It reads the diff, analyzes the code, and adds inline comments. For things like logic errors, security issues, unclear naming, or even missing tests, and it's not just pattern matching, it uses an LLM under the hood to understand context. You can also ask it questions directly in the PR, like, is this thread safe? Or what's the time complexity here? That conversational layer makes it feel less like a linter and more like a real reviewer. Now, it's not perfect. It can over-comment on style or miss deeper architectural issues, and on massive diffs, it sometimes plays it safe and stays quiet, but overall, it's a solid first-pass reviewer, great for cleaning up code before a human ever looks at it. It supports multiple languages, has customizable rules, and doesn't slow down your CI pipeline. If you're working in a fast-moving team, Coderabbit feels like a time saver without getting in the way. Do you want a deeper dive, live coding walkthrough? Let me know. If you're using this, love to hear how it's holding up. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.